Good morning students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 9.4. Before this students, we have solved the questions from exercise 9.3, and in this exercise student we have to multiply binomials with binomials. So first question of this exercise 9.4 is multiply the binomials. There are two binomials student. First one is 2x plus 5 and second one is 4x minus 3. We have to multiply these binomials. So first of all write this 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Students, first of all we have to multiply this 2x with the numbers in this bracket, and after that we have to multiply this 5 with the numbers in this bracket. Clear student? So first of all we have to write this 2x into 4x minus 3 plus, because it is plus student, so we have to put sign, positive sign, this one plus 5, it will be multiplied by 4x minus 3, and in this student 2x into 4x, so 2 4 ja 8, x into x it will be x square. When we multiply this 2x with 4x student, it will be 2 4 ja 8, x into x it will be x square, and 2x multiplied by this 3 it will be minus 6x, because this one is negative sign, so we have to put minus here. Clear student? Now plus 5 multiplied by this 4x, 5 4 ja 20x and 5 3 ja 15, this one minus 15 because it is negative. So now in the next step student we have to add or subtract the like terms. So in this 6x and this one 20x, these are the like terms, so this one is negative and this one is positive, so we have to subtract this. From 20x we have to subtract this 6x, so this one will be 8x square. This one student 20 is positive, it is greater than 6, so sign will be positive. So 20 minus 6, that will be 14x. So 20x minus 6x, that is 14x, plus 14x minus 15. This is the solution of first part of this question student, and in the second part student we have to do same type of multiplication. In this there are two binomials, first one, this one binomial, and we have to multiply this first binomial with the second binomial. So write it like this, 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now in the next step student we have to multiply this 2.5L with the numbers in the bracket, and after that we have to multiply this 0.5M with this bracket numbers in the brackets. So this one 2.5L into this one 2.5L plus 0.5M. After that student, this one sign negative sign, so we have to put here minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. In the next step student we have to multiply this 2.5 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 it will be 6.25. L into L it will be L square plus 2.5 L multiplied by 0.5 em student. So 0.5 into 2.5 it will be 1.25 student, and L into m it will be Lm, minus, because there is a negative sign student, so we have to multiply this 0.5 em with 2.5 L. So 0.5 into 2.5 it will be 1.25 ml. This one Lm or ml, both are the same student, and this one 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, so it will be minus 5 5 ja 25. This one will be 0.25 m square. Clear student? This one 0.25 m square, and in this student, this one, in the next step we have to write this 6.25 L square, and we have to add the like terms. These are the like terms student. It is 1.25 Lm and it is also 1.25 Lm. Ml and Lm both are same things student. So this one will be, this one positive and this one negative and same value, so it will be reduced or it will be cancelled, and minus 0.25 m square. This is the answer student, and answer of this part is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. Now we have to solve the fifth part of this question student, and in this 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square, we have to multiply these two binomials. So first of all we have to write student this 2pq plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square, and in the next bracket student, first of all we have to take this 2pq and we have to multiply this 2pq with this number whole bracket, this one 2pq multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square, this one student, and after that we have to put the sign, this one positive sign, plus 3q square multiplied by this 3pq minus 3pq minus 2q square, this one is student. Now 2pq into 3pq, 2 3 ja 6, p into p, p square, and q into q, that will be q square. So it will be 6 p square q square, and this one minus 2 2 ja 4, p and q square, this one is student q to the power 3. So this one 2 2 ja 4, p and q to the power 3, because q it is power 1 student and in this power 2. So powers will be added, or exponents will be added. So q into q square, it will be q to the power 3 or q cube. So in this it will be minus 4p q to the power 3 plus this one student 3 3 ja 9, this p and q square and q, this one 9p q to the power 3 minus 3 2 ja 6 q square and q square, it will be q to the power 4 student. Exponents will be added when we multiply this one q square with q square, it will be q to the power 4. Now we have to add the like terms, student. This one negative 4pq pq cube, and this one positive 9pq cube. Clear, student? So these are the like terms. So from 9pq to the power 3, we have to subtract this 4pq to the power 3. 9 minus 4, that will be 5pq to the power 3. So in the last step, student, it will be 6p square q square plus, because this 9 is positive, student, and 4 is negative. So 9 is greater, so we have to put sign positive. That is 5, from 9 we have to subtract this 4. 5p q cube and minus 6 q to the power 4. This is the answer, student. Now we have to solve the question number 2, student. This is question number 2, student, and in this question we have to find the product, and there are two binomials and we have to find out the product of these two binomials. So student, this one 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. So first of all, we have to multiply this 5 with the numbers in this bracket, and after that we have to multiply this 2x with the numbers in this bracket, student. So in first step, this one will be 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. Now multiply this 5 3 ja 15, and 5 multiplied by x, it will be 5x. And in this, student, minus 2x into 3, this one minus 6x. 2 3 ja 6, minus 6x, and minus 2x into x, it will be minus 2x square. And in this, student, it will be 15, and these are the like terms, students. 5x minus 6x, so it will be minus x. Clear, student? Minus 6x plus 5x. So from minus 6 we have to subtract this 5, so it will be minus 1. So minus x, and this one minus 2x square. This one is the solution of this part of the question, student. And in the third part of the question, student, this one a square plus b multiplied by a plus b square. Now we have to multiply same type, student, like this. First of all, we have to multiply this a square with a plus b square, and after that we have to multiply b with a plus b square. So a square into a plus b square plus this one b into a plus b square. Now multiply this a square with a, it will be a square and a. When we multiply this, student, so powers will be added. This one power 1 and power 2. So it will be a to the power 3. And after multiplying this a square with b square, it will be plus a square b square. And this one b multiplied by a, this one will be ab plus ab, and this one, student, this plus b and this one plus b square multiplied this, so it will be plus b cube or b to the power 3. So in the next step we have to write the greater exponent first. So it will be, student, in a systematic way, it will be a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3, or a cube plus b cube plus a square b square plus ab. This is the answer of third part of the question, student. Now we have to solve the third question of this exercise, student. This is question number 3, student, and in this question, students, we have to simplify. So in this, x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25. First of all, we have to solve this question, student, and in this, x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25. This one is a separate term, student. So first of all, we have to multiply these two terms. So this one, x square multiplied by x plus 5 first, and this minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5, and this one plus 25. Now in this, student, x square into x, it will be x to the power 3. When we multiply this x square with the x, so it will be x to the power 3 plus this one 5x square. 5 into x square, it will be 5x square, and in this, student, minus 5 into x, so it will be minus 5x, and minus 5 into plus 5, so it will be minus 5 5 ja 25 plus 25. So this one minus 25 and this one plus 25, student, it will be cancelled. Negative and positive will be cancelled. So this one x to the power 3 plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the solution of first part, or simplification of the first part of the question. This is third part of question number 3, student, and in this we have to multiply this t plus s square with t square minus s, student. So first of all, we have to write this t plus s square multiplied by t square minus s. So first of all, we have to multiply this t with t square minus s. After that, we have to multiply this s square with t square minus s. So t multiplied by t square minus s, and this plus s square multiplied by t square minus s. In the next step, student, t into t square, t to the power 3. This one will be t to the power 3 minus t into s, it will be st, plus s square t square. After multiplying, it will be s square t square minus s square into s, it will be s cube. So answer of this question is t cube minus st plus s square t square minus s cube. So there is no like terms, student, in this expression. So this one is the answer of the question. This is fifth part of the question, student, and in this we have to multiply these binomials. So first of all, we have to multiply this x plus y into 2x plus y plus x plus 2y into x minus y. In this, student, we have to multiply this x with this 2x plus y first. After that, we have to multiply y with 2x plus y. So this one x into 2x plus y plus y into 2x plus y, and in this, student, plus we have to multiply this x with x minus y, and this plus 2y with x minus y. When we multiply this x with 2x, student, then it will be 2x square plus xy, this one, plus 2xy after multiplying y with 2x plus y square, and in this x square minus xy plus 2xy after multiplying this 2y with x, it will be 2xy minus 2y square. Y into y, it will be y square. Now in this student, this one 2x square and this one x square. So we have to write the like terms with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ हम like terms को यहाँ लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट. So 2x square plus x square, this one, and in this student xy plus 2xy plus 2xy, this one xy plus 2xy plus 2xy and minus xy. Clear student? So we have to reduce this plus xy with minus xy. Clear student? This one xy and this is minus xy, it is cancelled. So 2xy plus 2xy, this one and this one, we have to write here 2xy plus 2xy. Like terms are written with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ हम like terms को लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट. Plus this y square minus 2y square. And in this question, student, this one 2x square plus x square, it is 3x square. 3x square plus this one 2xy plus 2xy, 4xy, and in this student minus 2y square plus y square, it will be minus y square. So this one is the answer of this part of the question student. This one 3x square plus 4xy minus y square. Now we have to solve this part of the question student. This is the 7th part of the question, and in this it is 1.5x minus 4y multiplied by 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y student. In this student, first of all we have to multiply this 1.5x minus 4y multiplied by 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now in this student, first of all we have to multiply this 1.5x with the numbers in this bracket. So 1.5x multiplied by this 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y multiplied by this one 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. This one is student. And when we multiply this 1.5x with 1.5x, 1.5 into 1.5 student, it will be 2.25 x square, and when we multiply 1.5x with 4, it will be plus 6xy, and after multiplying this 1.5x with 3, it will be 4.5x plus 4.5x. Now multiply this minus 4 into 1.5x, it will be 6xy, 6xy, because it is y and it is x student, and 1.5 into 4 it is 6, and after multiplying this 4y into 4y, this one minus 16y square, and after multiplying this 4 into 3, 4y into 3, it will be minus 12y. Clear student? Minus 4y into 3, it will be minus 12y, and this one minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now, in this whole expression student, this one minus 4.5x and this one plus 4.5x, plus and minus will be cancelled. Again, in this student, this one 12y and this one minus 12y and plus 12y, it will be cancelled. Now, the expression is 2.25x square, and this one 6xy and minus 6xy student, it will be cancelled also. Clear student? Because it is 6y positive and it is negative 6xy, so it will be cancelled. And next one is minus 16y square. This one is the answer, or this one is the solution of this part of the question student. In the next video we will solve the questions from exercise 9.5. Remaining questions of this exercise students you have to do yourself. If you have any problem, then you can call me.